So the thing is, guys, the important topic today, let's say, let's say client has given the ESS job name. Example, ESS job name client has given. So they will tell that, okay, so test this web service. Okay, find out the web service name and check that whether this ESS job output can be accessed from the web service or not. Okay, so the client responsibility is give the ESL job name or ESL job short name or something they have to give for to run in the manually. Okay. So the first very beginning step is run this ESL job manual and see how the data coming. Hmm? Run the ESL job manually and see how the data coming. So to run the ESL job, what we will do here, we will go here. Do 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 17, right? Do 17. Dot 17. Okay. First, we will to run the ESA job, guys. I want to tell you one more important point. To run the ESA job, you have to see the screen. You have to come this screen. You have to come this screen. Schedule process screen. To run the ESA job, you have to come to this screen. To see the ESA job definition. Okay, let me note down this point. To see the to run the ESA job, you have to come to the schedule process screen. To run the ESA job, we have to come to the schedule process screen. To see the ESS job, we have to run the ESS job, we have to come to the schedule process screen. To see the ESS job, go with the hmm? To see the ESS job, we have to go with the schedule setup and to see the ESS job definition. We have to go to setup and maintenance and manage. To see the ESS job definition, job definition, we have to go with the setup and maintenance and manage enterprise. That I will put over here. Setup and maintenance. Search. Manage enterprise scheduler, job definition and job sets. Manage enterprise scheduler, job definition and job sets for customer relation management. So what I will do? You can search here the job. Okay, copy this one. So then you can search this ESS job name. How to search the ESA job name? There is an option called here. It's not there. Table.
Can you please show the navigation once again?
Yeah, sure. Oh, okay. So it is, I selected wrongly. Okay. I think we need to select here finance.
Finance.
There's the financials. It will come here. Hmm. So if you want to see this ESS job, you can select this row and click on update. You will see this ESS job, this ESS job, this is the package name. Behind that, this is the package name, but we cannot see the logic here. This is the this is the path name and display name. So this is the way you can check this. There is no parameters for this ESS job. To see the ESS job definition, you have to come to this screen. To run the ESS job, you have to come to this screen. Schedule process. This navigation clear or not, guys? This navigation.
And show me once something.
Sure. So
we want to know more about this job. Is it possible to check it in OER and find more details about it?
don't think so. We will search Metalink, I think we can. We will search, okay. Manage enterprise, financial modules. Yeah.
Okay,
Vamshi, there is a FSCM ESS job name.
Yeah, this is FSCM ESS job. FSCM ESS job, correct. So what we will do? Copy this one. Let me go to this one. I think if you search this one, it will show right. It's coming. No, Oracle not given that option. You can go like this.
What is the purpose of ESS job, Vamshi?
Yeah, this job, it will give some kind of programs running and some information it will give. Count something it will give.
With these things taken care by that either DBS or finance team, I mean functional team, right?
Functional team they will be taking, but they will give us to run these programs like that.
Okay. Is there any specific pass any parameters kind of application level parameters or not like that?
There is no parameters, but we will see the examples parameters also how to pass.
In that case, it will run for entire application, right?
This one, huh?
Yeah, I mean, whatever the payable health check, it will run the entire application, right? Not only specific things, right?
Yeah, it will run on. Yeah, we will see the output. Okay, it will come. Okay, we'll run now.
Okay.
It will process. It will not process. So mention this one. It's not there. Program name.
I think maybe the payable health check, I think display name.
Payable sales check. Right. Payable sales check. Yeah. See, you see this one. If you want to know the importance of this ESA job, collect the diagnostic information to assess the health of payable applications. So the more information, if you want to know, functional consultant will explain what is the purpose of this ESA job. For now, we will check.
We need to pass here definition name.
Yeah, we need to pass the ESA job definition name. If you click on submit, so there is no parameters. Right? If there are parameters are there, it will show here, but there are no parameters. That is the reason directly process ID generated. To see the output here, what you will do, you click on OK, refresh. Payable health check. Attachment here. See here. So select this one, attachment. Click on attachment. It will open like this. Understand or not? Hello.
Okay.
What is this attachment
You need to
of?
submit this program, Vamshi. Is there any specific facing any issues in your working time?
I didn't understand the question.
Now, what I mean, where we need to run? I mean, what is the purpose of why we need to run this program first thing? Are you facing any issue related to this program?
See, the intention is the intention why we are running is how we run the ESA job using web service. Functionality wise, I'm also not sure what is the purpose of this one. But the process I am showing how we can run this ESA job using web service. That is the only intention.
Okay, okay.
See, if I show this this ESA job how to run in the web service, you can do any other programs, right? How to run the ESA jobs in the if you want to know exact information why we have to run this program and what is the importance of this one, if you like, right, in the company functional consultants will give the brief on that. Okay. So now to run the ESA job using web service, so I have shown manually how to run and how to download the output also I have shown, and how to see the status also I have shown. This is the status. Status, how to run I have shown. See the status I have shown, and how to download also I have shown. These 3 steps without logging into Oracle Cloud, we will see in the web service. Whatever I have shown the steps, right, how to run, how to see the status, how to download the output. Whatever I have shown just now, we will see in the web service. First of all, what you have to know, to identify the web service. And web service, how to run. To identify the web service, how to run. We have to okay, to identify the web service name. Yes, job run. to identify the web service name for the ESA job run. So now for that, Fusion OER.
Financial.
Integrate there is a ERP integration service. Go to ERP integration service.
Vamshi, these are all SOAP only, Vamshi. When the fusion comes to the fusion, these are all SOAP web services only.
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay. What is the difference between SOAP and REST, Vamshi?
Yesterday class I have covered. We'll go through that. Yesterday class I have covered what is the difference between the SOAP and REST web services. If you want, I'll recap once again this here. Or if you want to go through the video also, okay. Anything is fine.
Difference I did not find in yesterday's difference.
Archana, if you just sit in the Guru, these two differences, there are so many videos were there for the soap and this particular.
No, I have covered Kumar yesterday. I think
Yes,
you
yes.
ask other people.
The
Other
soap
people
is
you can ask.
separate.
Differences I have covered yesterday. You go through the video and
Means like output in XML it will come, and when coming to the this SOAP output will be different XML and some other like you told that one, but I did not get a proper differentiate between both of them.
But only XML format.
Yeah, it's an SOAP is an XML and rest is some JS something you told. That is a difference I heard from the yesterday's video. But in what cases SOAP is useful and in rest in real time in what environment they are using, I did not get it because this web service is very new to me.
Yeah, SOAP is more secure compared to REST.
Okay.
SOAP is XML based. End with visual.
End with VSD. Okay.
REST services are the JSON. Basic format is JSON.
Okay. Where they are using Vamshi REST?
Both are using same purpose. SOAP also we can use
Okay.
same purpose and REST also we can use same purpose.
Okay.
Purpose is same, but they have given the two web services option. The performance point of view, REST is the faster. Basic format is JSON.
Okay, but Fusion
So,
they are using SOAP.
both are there.
Both are there.
Both are there.
Okay.
The purpose is same. SOAP also can do inserting the data. SOAP also can do get the data. REST also can do insert the data. REST also can do store the data.
Okay. And one more thing is, Vamshi, when we are coming to the HCM, data loader is there, HCM extract is there, even coming to finance, FBDA is there, right? To integrate like input and output or like outbound also. Then why then web services came again into the picture? Like, is that more advantage or what actually? Because FBDA is there in finance side, and
You go
even
through the you have not gone through the video yesterday. I have covered that also.
No,
interact
Vamshi,
with
I
the
go.
third-party
In a,
system directly,
correct.
the third-party legacy systems directly through this particular request. You can hit the third-party system from our instance by using this particular SOAP or RESTful web services. Then from there we can get the data as a XML format or JSON format. The both systems will have the different softwares, different systems. Like one system is using SAP and other system is using Oracle apps. So these two systems are different. So to get the request, to get the data from the SAP system from our Oracle or from SAP system to Oracle, we need to use the format as XML or JSON. These both formats only we can use. This will be understood by the any system. This XML
Okay.
format will be or the JSON format will be understood by any system. The request will be sent to this XML format and the response will be get to the XML format only. If you send through JSON format the request, then the response also will be get by the JSON format only. Through RESTful services, there is advantage to send the format of the JSON also. Even
Okay.
including XML also, we can send the request. The sending the request and getting the response through XMLs only. XMLs are JSONs. Well, because the both systems are having different environments. In our system, we are using Oracle apps. Their system, they are using SAP environment. But I need the data from the SAP environment. Otherwise, SAP environment needs the data from the Oracle application system. These data interconversions, migrations will be used by using these web services by interacting with their IP addresses, and there's some addresses are there that we need to use as part of this interacting with the server.
Okay.
The Postman
Okay,
you can
sir.
use. Postman you can use as part of the REST service. But in this particular SOAP, we need separate SOAP request format is there. That format only we need to use but to send the request to the other systems.
Okay, thank you.
And one more thing, Achana, either FPDA is HDL data load, right? Those are the one-time data loads, right? This is the real time. This is the real-time transactions. So, for suppose you're using, your order in Amazon or Flipkart, right? Place an order, right? Maybe that is for your front-end visibility. In the back-end, they're maintaining a JSON or XML. That is different. They're calling the some other DB or some other place.
Okay.
There are so many suppliers, they are maintaining in the Amazon. Whatever the order you can order in the Amazon, that particular item will go to the supplier side. That order will be managed by the supplier side. So that will interact with the supplier side. Amazon will interact with the supplier side. So that order will be booked from there and that will come back to our page. In this moment also, this particular web services involved to interact with the supplier services, supplier related products also to get it add to cart, their products in this through as part of this Amazon. So at that moment, it will interact with the third-party systems also. At this moment, this will be helpful.
These are maintain different file systems or file formats. Maybe all the suppliers do not be maintained either XML or JSON or CSV. It be different based on their application, their DB level storage thing.
Okay.
So basically, basic format is JSON, but it will support any other format also. Any other format. And SOAP services are only XML. Here it is. Here it will support. I think I already told you, right? SOAP services contains operations. REST services contains methods. SOAP services, we will use SOAP UI tool. For REST services, we will use Postman. Soap services are not secure. Then rest services are more secure. Then soap
No,
services are
soap is more secure, right?
no, rest is more secure. Rest is more secure. Soap services are heavyweight component. Then rest services are more faster than. But in Oracle Fusion, both are there. Soap is there, rest is there. So so whichever the suitable for your requirement, you can use for your requirements.
Then
So
this
that
VBSC and this OIC and all comes under the SOAP category, Vamshi.
no, OIC and VBCS will come both. Soap,
Both types.
soap will be there in both. Sorry, soap and rest will be there both in OIC. VBCS will allow only the rest service. Soap and rest services we can use one. We can use both in OIC, but VBCS will allow only rest services. VBCS will not allow soap.
Okay. Okay, Vamshi, thank you.
To identify the web service from the ESS job run, first we have to go to Fusion Apps OER, ERP integration service. These are all the operations. For ERP integration web service, these are all the operations. So each operation have some parameters to be run. For example, this operation get ESS job status, submit ESS job request, download ESS, download export output. So these are all the operations available for the ERP integration service. So in our requirement, we have to run the ESA job using the web service, right? So ERP integration service, submit ESA job request. Submit ESA job request. So for the submit ESA job request, we need to pass these parameters. Job package name, job definition name, and parameter list. In the submit ESA job request, we have passed this job package name, job definition name, and parameter list.
So using this method, we can submit any ESS job or only specific ESS jobs only.
This is common web service name. Any ESS job you can run.
Okay.
And we need to find out these values, which ESS job you want to execute using web service. For that, we need to find out which ESS job we are. We need to find out which ESS job we are running. We need to find out which ESS job we are running. That details. We need to get job definition name, job package name, parameters. Job definition name, job package name, and parameter names. So job definition name, what you will do? So setup and maintenance. Search. Manage enterprise. So whatever the ESS job name which client has given, that you can search here, payables. Payables. Payables health check. So job, this is the job definition name. Job package name. So in this ESS job, there is no parameters. You don't need to pass the parameters.
The definition name like health check, right? I mean, payables health check, right? Items or short name.
Short name. Display name, no need to take. Short name,
No.
we need to take. So this is a short name and this is a display name. So this one you have to take, sorry, this one you have to take, and this one you have to take. And if there are parameters are there, that parameters you need to take, but parameters are not using here. So that is the reason I'm like this. Okay. So we have find out the web service name and we have find out the web service, which parameters we need, which definition we need to pass. That also we have found. Now, so what you will do, you go to the OER, you take this one, you take the web service name, take the web service name like this. So here server name is there, right? In the server name, you have to use like this. This one. Take this one.
You can put the both the URLs one, say, before and after.
Okay.
What the actual, yeah.
Next one. So this is the URL. So now what we will do, copy this URL. Copy this URL. Now look, go to the SOAP UI tool. Go to the SOAP UI tool. Go to the SOAP UI tool. So click on SOAP here. Click on SOAP. Project name you can give it. Otherwise, ESS job project. Copy like this. Click on OK. ESS job project, initial visitor. Click on OK. So if you look at this one, when you open this web service from SOAP UI tool, there are two sections will come. One is request and another one is response. One is request and another one is response. So basically what will happen is this response is there. No? So this response will not be useful anything. We are not doing anything here. Only we are going to do the request. So what will happen when you do the request, the response will come using, the response will come from this section. But what you need to do, you have to go here. So whatever this one, right? So what is the standard operation name? This is the operations. So you can consider this is the package name and this is the procedure names. Let's say I want to run the ESL job, right? Submit ESL job with our operation name. Like in EBS, we have if you want to run the PL SQL package in backend, you will run fnd request dot submit request, right? Fnd request dot submit request package will run, right? Hello.
Yes, Vamshi.
Same thing. This. So now in this operation, we have to pass job package name and job definition name. So there is no parameters for this ERP integration web service for ESS job operation. You comment this one. How to comment in XML? You write like this. Right. So job definition name you already job definition name and job package name.
You copied in wrong place.
Job package name. Right. So now as soon as you run this one, what will happen? As soon as you run this one, what will happen is you need to give the authentication. So click the AU auth, AUTH, add new authorization, click on OK. So mention here 0.17 and come on to the like that. So run this one. So now we got the response, right? It will give the response at the process ID. It will give the response at the process ID. Process ID or request ID, both are same. If you want to, you can see the entry in the ERP. You go to the entry, you can see here. Schedule process. So you can see the entry. Refresh. You see this one, guys. 7192461, right? 7192461. Like that. Listen or not? Seven 7192461. Matching or not?
Vamshi, if you run once again this program, then what happens, Vamshi? This schedule process, this program, if you run once again, it will pick one more process ID, right?
It will create one more entry here. If I
Yeah,
run once
one more,
again,
yeah.
one more entry will come, but one more process ID will come.
Yeah, here in this schedule process, one more process ID will come. In that, even web service also, it will pick the same thing.
One more process ID here also will generate.
Okay.
One more process ID will be generated, and here also one more entry will come, and the output will be same.
Yeah, output will be same.
Output will be same.
Vamshi, how to identify this web service name that you
Web service
identify?
name identify na here.
So from here we have to identify.
Yes. Here we have to identify. So you need to do some kind of research on that. There is something you have to see this document. Provides an external operation ERP integration scenario such as bulk data import and export, execute end-to-end inbound. So you need to read this documentation what Oracle has given. Based on that only you can identify. or you can search in the Google, or maybe this is the popular web service, guys. Popular ERP integration is the one of the popular web service. So you search in the Google, or maybe if you are working in the real time, anyone can tell this one.
So we have web services separate for each module, like FSCM different.
Each business object, I can say.
Mm.
Each business object. In FSCM it is there, and HCM also, some web services also there. Here if you see receivable, chargeback, receivable credit checking, credit memo, like that it will be there. Each module or each business object. So after that, if you want to find out the, so this is the process ID we got, right? Process ID we got. So this is the process ID we got. Now by seeing this process ID, okay, by using this process ID, how we can get the ESS job status. For that, so what you will do, go to the ESS job status request. So what is the request ID that we already copied, right? Pass the request ID. Same steps again. Add new authorization. Like this. Submit. So now what you will do, you will see this message. So whatever the output you are seeing, that message, right? Same message you can see here also. Only thing is you need to pass the parameter here.
Amshi, can you see the output? Any operation is there for that?
Huh?
To see the output.
Yeah, that is our next step. I will show you how to download the output from here. I will show you how to download the output from here. So to download the output, this one. To download the output, same process, you pass the request ID. And here, if you look at this one, in the attachment, in the attachment section, you will see one entry here. Now it is not showing, but after we run, it will show one entry. Then there is an option called download that will be downloaded to local system. Go here, add other okay. Username, do not run. Now you see the output, right? Hello. And you can press the download. So where you want to download that output? Just you can do some name here. So this is the output we got. Now what I will do? See, same output, whatever you downloaded, right? Whatever you downloaded from ESS job frontend, same thing. Understand, Narendra? Using web service also. Anything you want to show once again, or it is clear means okay.
Vamshi, can we download the SOAP UI web application?
SOAP?
This application can we download it? SOAP UI.
This one, huh?
Yes, yes.
This one I told you yesterday. Go here. SOAP UI 5.6.0. 5.6.0. There are many articles are there. So you go to SOAP, this one. This one you can go. Wait, I will send you in the 1 minute. Search. I'm sending in the WhatsApp. Pasted.
Yes, Vamshi. Got it.
If you click that drive, you will see the name as, there is a BI publisher also there. SOAP UI IX64 5.6.0 something is there. You are able to see or not?
4564 something. It
Ah,
is. JRE.
no, GRE not.
SOAP UI.
SOAP UI is there, no?
64560.
That one. Only you download Postman, SOAP UI.
Okay.
So if you are okay means tomorrow we'll take 1 hour, or we will take the break, whatever you say. Okay. We'll see the inbound integration. Today I have shown outbound, right? So tomorrow we'll see inbound. If you are okay means we'll take.
It's okay for me.
For me, okay.
Tomorrow we'll continue with the this one, SOAP web service using inbound integration. Thank you. Same time.
Vamshi, one more thing, Vamshi. Apart from this web services, we are going to discuss anything in HCM related or in finance and SCM. Outbound is there, Vamshi. Like we did not discuss, right? Inbound only we discussed in HCM or in even finance also. Outbound case, we are dealing with web services. Apart from this web services, like HCM extracts is there. And coming to finance, what is there for the outbound interface? I'm asking you.
Today topic, do you feel that it is inbound or outbound? Archana?
It's a outbound only, Vamshi.
Uh,
We
today
are
outbound
getting
we
the
discuss,
data
right?
from the, yeah, that is
Today
what.
outbound, tomorrow we'll see inbound, okay? In HCM I will cover.
No, Vamshi, I'm not asking about the web service. Is there any, apart from the web service, anything is there in finance and HCM for the outbound interface? I'm asking you.
Outbound I have covered OTBI, right? And BIP I will cover once SQL has completed.
Okay, OTB and BA reports. Okay.
Yeah, outbound, yeah. HCM
Okay.
extract also I will cover, okay?
Okay, you will cover. You are going to cover.
Yeah, yes. Correct.
Okay. Okay, Vamshi. Fine.